Well, we're going to go out and take the rooftop tent and camp out there in the desert in the mountains tonight. We're supposed to have a big meteorite shower tonight. So we're going to go out north of the superstitions, I think. So we're going to find a camping spot out here someplace and set up our cameras for the meteorite shower. And we're all set up, I guess. Waiting for the sun to go down. I got 3 GoPro cameras ready to go. Got a little viewing room over here. We can sit out of the cold and maybe see some of the stars. This is a Chahula cactus. They will jump on you. They're hard to get out. They hurt too. Supposed to get down to 40 degrees here tonight. It's going to be a pretty night. Nice and clear. Supposed to have about 150 meteorites per hour. So that should be interesting. I hope I can catch them on the GoPro. And it's a pretty sunset tonight.